really we need to address, to empower, and to really train our girls, because some of them also, when I interview them, when they came to the school, they also learn about their rights as women, and also even voting rights. Because here in the school, we organize also activity like the Supreme Student Government, where we elected a president, we elect vice president, and all those members. And one girl, she said that I can also use this in order that I could also participate in future elections. And then even she said that I even aspire to become a country's president. That is what she said. So that is what really inspires me, because I can see transformation in the way they are thinking, their outlook in life, that even traditional activities which was done in the community where they lived in, they also know, because they studied it, that these ones are not really good, and that these ones are really, we need to eradicate, to have a better and safe place, especially for women. And they are willing to become advocates and leaders. That is what I see in them, because they use their voice. They have already the idea on how they can help other women too. And even they said, when I go home, I will tell my neighbors, or I will tell my my family, my relative about this, and they can fight for it. And that is what they are sharing to us.